This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay. Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye.
They could have a sticker person that just goes around slapping stickers on stuff. I don't know. Just slap, slap, slap.
What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? Was that a little aggressive? I felt like that came off a little aggressive.
Let me try that again.
What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? I am back with another video. Can we say we on a roll? Hello. This is like video number, I don't even know. I don't know where I'm placing this. I don't even know why I'm acting like I know. I'm not even. Y'all gonna find it though. You gonna watch me though. Okay, so this is why we're here. Let me stop playing with you. Let's get down to it. Okay. We're here because I was at Five Below and I saw some new items that they had, and it was skincare, and I was interested. And then I said, well, if I'm interested, maybe you're interested. So here we are. There's some stickers and stuff on some of these things. I don't know how true it is. I don't know. So I'm going to start with the first one. We are going to wash our face. I did take a shower this morning, but I have not used any products on my face except for water, H2O. Agua. Pay no attention to this right here. This was a blackhead that I went to the dermatologist, and the esthetician cut it, squeezed it, and hopefully it will heal up soon. And, so let's just take note that whatever I'm about to use did not do this. Okay. So there we go. All right. So let's get started. So the first thing that caught my attention was this cleanser mask duo. Hello. First of all, pink. So I was just like, here for it. And the bright colors automatically drew me in. It says AHAs and botanical extracts. It's purifying. It's 3 fluid ounces. It was $5. The directions are just like any other cleanser. To use a cleanser, wet face with warm water and massage into skin. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. It says for a deeper clean, and to use a mask, simply leave on for 3 additional minutes prior to rinsing. Use as often as needed. It says it has glycerin, which supports skin's natural barrier. There's a pH buffer that promotes balanced skin. Fatty acids protect skin against environmental damage. It says free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and some lates. Some lates. They don't have no lates. It's free of lates. It says dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin, cruelty free, and vegan. Made in China. 12-month shelf life once you open it. I don't smell anything. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with it and then see. So I'm going to wet my face and then I'm going to come back. It is creamy. It is a cream cleanser. I do smell a light scent. Grapefruit. Oh, I do. Yeah, it's grapefruit. There is fragrance and parfum. It is low on the list, as well as glycolic acid. But it's not overpowering. It's not very strong. It's a very light fragrance. Even when I put it up to my nose, I smell nothing out of here. Only when I put it on my face, but I'm ready to go wash this off. So I'll be back. So yeah, it's a cream cleanser. It did what it was supposed to do. It didn't strip my face. I feel like I'm clean. So let's move on to the next one. It says exfoliator as well as a cleanser. It says oatmeal plus walnut resurfacing restorative moisture formula. Improves overall look and feel of skin. Same thing with the fatty acids, the glycerin, and a pH buffer. Apply a small amount to clean, dry face and scrub gently with your fingertips. Avoid contact with eyes. Duh. Rinse thoroughly. Use 3 times per week. Safety seal. My face is dry. So I do feel like little exfoliators in here. Nothing hard. Nothing abrasive. Let me rinse it off and see what it does after. All right, I'm back. And to believe it or not, I like the exfoliator / cleanser better than I like the first one. Seeing how the second one does have the exfoliators in it, I would not be able to use that every day. Gel to oil mask. So it says a warming mask that transforms from gel to oil upon heat activation to moisture and rejuvenate. Apply a small amount to face and massage to release the heating effect. Avoid contact with eyes. Leave on during shower or bath and rinse off with warm water. Perfect. I have the right thing that I can use just for this. While we're sitting here, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready to open this. Let's open it. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, no safety seal. No safety seal. Okay. So, guys, they need to put safety seals on this. That's not good. All right. Well, I'm going to use it anyway. Probably shouldn't, but I am. All right. Here we go. It is heating up. The slight heating up. I have this. So I'm going to place this on my face. I've already run it under some hot water. And let's just see. I'm back. I am back. All right. I went on ahead and put my serums on. I put my vitamin C on, my hyaluronic acid, and those things because there's nothing else left but a moisturizer and a primer. Moisturizer plus skin shield. Aloe with ceramides, hydrating. Improves overall look and feel of skin, again with the fatty acids, the glycerin, and the pH buffer. A lightweight moisturizer that helps to soothe irritated skin from environmental stressors and relieve dryness. Perfect daily moisturizer for sensitive skin. Aloe helps to soothe skin. Ceramides help to lock in moisture. Apply a small amount to clean, dry face and gently massage onto skin. Avoid contact with eyes. Use as needed. Well, here is the real test though. I have to put this on and then also my sunscreen. This is my sunscreen. And anybody that knows anything about sunscreen knows that sometimes you start to get some peeling because they don't go well together. Now this did come with a protective case on it, just FYI. It came with one of these, which I actually like because I'll actually keep it on here. I don't smell anything. I don't. This is the way it looks. Let's look at the ingredients. Ceramide is very, very low on the list. I mean, to even say that you've got I guess it doesn't matter where you fall on the list. You can put that you have it in there, even if it is all the way at the bottom. Extracts and leaf extracts and flower extracts and what can your skin tolerate? I have no complaints again. I mean, I haven't so far had any complaints with any of their products. After my sunscreen, I'm going to wait for my sunscreen to soak in, guys, just so you know. So there will be some time that passed when I come back to do the primer. This is the serum primer, and I'm going to put my sunscreen on right now. Okay, so I have like little bits of like white stuff balling up, but I have a feeling that's just going to be the beginning and end of it. I don't see where this is going to continue to ball when I do my makeup, but we will find out, won't we? Once I let this sit, and I'm only going to let it sit for about a good 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do the primer. After the primer, I'm going to do my makeup, and then we're going to see exactly, you know, did it ball up? Did I have problems with my makeup, the same foundation that I always use? Because if so, then it's definitely the moisturizer. It wouldn't be anything that I've washed off my face. It would be the moisturizer, because my skincare routine, as far as my hyaluronic acid and everything else that I use, my niacinamide, etc., doesn't change. So I know that my foundation already works well with those things. These additions would be the new things that if my foundation doesn't work well, this moisturizer would be the only thing that I have left on my face that is new. So we'll be back. Let me go ahead, let this sit for a minute, and then we'll do this. To be continued. Moving on to the next product. It says that it's a lightweight hydrating serum and primer that helps to soften, brighten, and smooth skin for longer lasting makeup. I know it didn't. I know you didn't. I know it didn't. I know it didn't. Y'all didn't hear that. Let it start acting up if it want to. Let it. Lightweight hydrating serum and primer that helps to soften, brighten, and smooth skin for longer lasting makeup. Can be used on its own for a dewy natural glow. Can be used before foundation.
And I can't reach you. So then, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? You don't want me to be great.
Safe for sensitive skin. Can be used on its own for a dewy natural glow. Can be used before foundation for longer lasting makeup. Vitamin C helps to boost and brighten skin, which is a key ingredient, it says. Okay, I'm back, and I was able to do my makeup fine. Nothing balled up. Everything was the same for me. Yes to the Freeman Five Below skincare. So I'm going to finish up the process, which I'm basically done. I need to do my hair. I have another video to do. So if you're done watching this one, follow me over there. I'm going to handle that. But follow me over there. We're going over there next. What are you doing? Why are you still here? Oh yeah, and subscribe, like, share, turn your notifications on, all of those wonderful things. And also, have you looked at me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook? Have you even checked me out over there? If not, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go! Other than that, enjoy your day. All right, until next time, beautiful disasters. Bye.
Me and that thing, we gonna fight.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivated. Goodbye.